Hi.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
In this video, I will be doing a quick review and a quick typing sound test for this mechanical keyboard. Without any further ado, time to unbox. What in the box? Keycap holder, magnetic rubber fit, 1.5 meter Type-C cable, thank you card, tiny user manual. This the thing in the box. This model comes with two color variants, which is the black one and the white one. The one I got for myself is the white one with RK brown switches. There are also red, black and blue switches available as an option. Now I will be showing you guys what this keyboard can do. The back of this keyboard has two holes which allows stars to go inside and a charging port. The front side only has RK logo and nothing else to see. The keycaps on this keyboard are ABS double shot, which I think is pretty cool. There are 18 color modes for this keyboard, and yes, you can customize it by downloading the software. As for the side panel, you only have 2 options for RGB mode and 6 other options for single color mode. Unfortunately, you cannot make any modifications other than this 8 color option. If you don't like it, you can always turn it off. These are the magnetic rubber feet. Let me show you how to use. See? Perfectly aligned, no shaky, and your keyboard is higher. These keyboard does have some weight, and the plastic doesn't feel cheap at all. I give it a solid 6 out of 10. With my 10 kg press strength, the keyboard managed to flex only a little bit. I was told that this keyboard comes with RK brown switches, which is their very own mechanical switch, but it turns out to be TTCK switches. Looks like I need to get some explanation from the seller. To be honest, I have not heard of TTCK switches, but we will check that out later. If you choose to use this keyboard in wired mode, make sure the switch at the bottom is off, otherwise it will not work. By the way, this keyboard supports N-key rollover, which is a feature that detects all keystrokes no matter how many keys are pressed simultaneously, basically good for gaming. Now it's time for wireless mode. First, you turn this thing on, and then you press FN key and press Q, hold both of them for a few seconds, then the Q will blink. This means that the device you pair with will be safe in button Q. This keyboard can save up to 5 devices, which allow you to switch between them. Hello everyone, happy to see you guys still watching. Now, it's time for the pro and con of this keyboard. Affordable check, macro setting check, customizable RGB check. Speaking of battery life, it has a really long battery life. I have tried using this keyboard for a week under normal usage without RGB light, and it has no problem at all. The keycaps on this keyboard have sweat-proof coating with a rough surface texture. Some people might like it, some might not, but I find it useful when I try to type with oily hands because it prevents my finger from accidental sliding. In terms of the design, I personally feel like this keyboard has a more cartoony feeling because of the blue thing on both sides. Some might find it cool, some might not. Speaking of typing experience, I noticed that the stabilizers on the spacebar is very inconsistent. Sometimes it can be really awful. But there is a way to fix the rattle noises from the spacebar. Just go Google, type how to fix spacebar rattle noises, then you are done. There are plenty of solutions for you to do it. That's it guys, I hope you guys enjoy my review and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.